Hi folks, welcome to Junction City, Oregon. We're at Guarantee RV. My name's Anthony.Salazar. Everybody calls me Big Sal. Today we're going to be looking at this awesome 2020 Newmar Bay Star. It's a 3414 unit model. It's a really good looking model, full paint, toppers on all your slides. It's really a good looking unit. Let's go around the other side over here. It does have side cameras. I've got the storage compartments opened up on this side so you can see this unit's got great amount of storage in it. All along the whole back side and on the other side as well. You've got an emergency exit here in the bathroom if needed. Let's go on inside and take a look at inside and see what we got. This is really a super cool unit. Nice floor plan, lots of room. The opposing slides really opens it up and makes it seem like you're inside a house. You got the televator that pops up for your TV, a nice little fireplace in this unit. You've got a nice size refrigerator here. Let's get it open. A nice fridge with the ice maker. Nice area in there to cook with, good amount of counter space. It's got the big dual sinks. You've got a convection microwave, a nice big convection microwave. Your cooktop, 3-burner cooktop. And then it's got great storage. There's a lot, they utilize every little nook and cranny in this thing, so you got plenty of room for all your stuff, which is really nice. Nice little dinette here. Of course, you got a bed. This, these little ottomans flip over. You got great storage in there if you need it, or you can flip it over too and use it like a TV tray if you wanted, or set your drink on. Let's head back in here to the back. Now this has a nice bathroom with 2 sinks, a great shower area. Of course, there's a slider door there to give you that added privacy, and another slider over here. Nice big shower, fantastic fan. Great bedroom in this unit. As you come in here, lots of storage in this big wardrobe. I don't know if you can get that down or not. Oh, you probably come on this side. Lots of great storage. Really a nice unit. Folks, I just touched on a few things about this unit. If you're interested in seeing it, please come see me, Big Sal, Guarantee RV. My phone number is 951-443-8323. Thanks.